Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an omelet in my microwave breakfast maker. This is super simple. So here's the breakfast maker. Inside of it there are two inserts. Those are for poached eggs. We like the omelets. So I have everything ready to go. And we have farm fresh eggs, so I want to make sure my chickens don't leave me a little surprise inside their eggs. Sometimes they do. Put it in my shaker. And this is to make sure I don't get any shells in there too. Milk. Put this on, and I love this because it doesn't spill, doesn't leak. These shakers are wonderful. So go ahead and start putting some stuff on. I already have my onions and peppers all chopped up. I love this because this is airtight and you can't smell the onions in my refrigerator. My sausage is already pre-cooked. I like to cook up all my sausage at once and then put it in a bowl and it's ready to go. And peppers. Okay. Let's pour the eggs on top and then I'll stir it up in there. Of course, while I'm microwaving this, I'll pause my video. Salt and pepper. Okay. When I microwave this, I will put it on power 9 and I will microwave it for 3 minutes because I've got all the extra goodies in there. Cover it up and place it in the microwave. Okay, and let's pull this out of the microwave. And it's warm, so when you open it up, put this down. When you open this up, make sure you open away because there is steam. And I like to flip mine over before I put my cheese on there because I'm just kind of a fanatic in making sure that it's done. So I'll flip it over on the lid and then I will slide it up inside of there again. Put some cheese on there and then I'll microwave it for about 30 more seconds, just long enough to melt that cheese. And again, I have the power at 9. Okay, let's pull this out of the microwave. And again, it's warm. And here we are. And that is an easy breakfast.